Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to enable AutoSave in Word. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So if you want to enable this AutoSave in Word, so in case that everything shuts down automatically, you just have to go to your file or tap on the file at the top right corner, scroll down here and look for options, click options. Here you need to scroll down and then tap on Save. On the Save section, you should see this Save Auto Cover information. You can select 5 minutes, 6, 3, 2, 1. Everything is up to you. Make sure that you have selected this or tap this one and also click this Keep the last auto recovered version if I close without saving. So make sure that you have tapped this or click this both. And after that, you can now tap OK. And basically, that's it. You don't need to worry if it suddenly shuts off everything. Once you have enabled this autosave in Word, when you open this Word, you should see that on the left side. And all you have to do is to click that one to type or edit again. Basically, that's how easy it is to enable autosave in Word. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.